Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some buns stuffed with spinach and paneer. I have not used any yeast to make the buns and I am going to make it in an air fryer. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peel and finely chop 1 onion, 1 inch ginger and 4 cloves of garlic in an electric chopper. Wash and finely chop the spinach leaves as shown in the video. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add the finely chopped onion, ginger and garlic. Add salt to taste and saute till the onions become soft and translucent. Then add the finely chopped spinach. Mix well and saute for a minute or two. Then cover and cook on low flame till the spinach leaves get wilted and soft as shown in the video. Add crumbled paneer to it. Mix well and saute till the juices evaporate. Then squeeze some lemon into it as per taste. Take a small portion of it and roll it into a ball as shown in the video. You can vary the size of the balls depending on how much stuffing you want in your bun. Take half cup of yogurt and give it a good whisk to make it smooth. Add water little at a time with whisking to make 1 cup of buttermilk. The consistency should be thick as shown in the video. Pour the buttermilk into a mixing bowl and give it a good whisk. Add salt to taste. Mix it well and then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good whisk and you can see that it has become nice and frothy. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour and mix it. Keep on adding plain flour and whole wheat flour a little at a time and keep on mixing it and folding the flour into the mixture. When it starts becoming thick, add 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil and mix it well. Add further plain flour and whole wheat flour as required to make a smooth dough. The consistency becomes thick. You'll need to discard the spoon and use your hands to make a smooth dough. Then add further teaspoon of oil and mix it well. Take small portions of the dough in between your palms and roll it into a smooth round shape, giving it a little pressure. Then press with your finger and thumb to make it into a flat round shape as shown in the video. Place the spinach and paneer ball in the center and fold it in as shown to form a smooth round surface. Repeat with the rest of the balls, and once they are formed, spread some water over it and then dip it in sesame seeds. Gently press with your fingers to make the sesame seeds stick to it. Repeat the process with all the balls. Once all the balls are ready, place it on a greased air fryer rack as shown in the video and cook on 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After the buns are cooked and brownish in color, transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the delicious and healthy paneer and spinach stuffed buns.